All right, so trial is over. We got the verdict last night, I think around 8:30 or so, and it was $16 million, $10 million in punitives and $6 million in compensatory damages. Of course, the final judgment has not been entered yet. In fact, there's a motion already that the judge still has to consider, so can't talk that much about certain parts of the case, but I can talk about everything that led up to the verdict. So we've kept you up to date pretty much every day. I didn't get to do an update yesterday because we were in trial basically from sun up to sundown, and then the jury went out around 5:30 or so, and they were out for about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. But in any event, yesterday was the final day of trial. The defendants, started the day off with a motion for mistrial, and they based it on these videos. They said that these videos were prejudicial to them and that I was doing something improper, and that they cited a case in Georgia where a lawyer had done something like that or like this, keeping people updated on the case. And of course the judge denied that motion, but not before they insisted that he hear all of our videos from Instagram and TikTok. So we spent a good hour or so of judge time listening to my social media yesterday in court, which was so much fun for me to hear my voice on the loudspeakers while the judge sat there and listened to me talk about armor. But they then proceeded to say that I was also trying to intimidate the witnesses because I was talking about them testifying, and then the witness claimed that I was bullying him. He got on the stand yesterday. The corporate representative, Dr. what's his name? Jesus Giannis, I think is his name. I've almost forgotten. And anyway, he got on the stand yesterday, and after I cross-examined him, which was quite pleasurable, he asked the judge, "Your Honor, can I say something else?" And the judge said it would not be appropriate for you to say anything else. Despite that order from the judge, he looks at me in front of the jury and says, "You better stop bullying me online." And he pointed to me like I'm bullying him. I'm just publicizing the things that they are saying in court, which is a public forum. So in any event, they then refused to be on video because we had asked the court to be able to tape or at least record some of the proceedings. And of course, their lawyer was all up in arms. "I don't want to be on the video." And so we couldn't. So I said, "Okay, the lawyer doesn't want to be on the video. We won't put him on the video." And then the client was like, "I don't want to be on the video." And so the client got to move. He had to move around the courtroom while the video was on yesterday during our closing. But in any event, that's why you don't see somebody sitting next to the lawyer for them. But it's a public forum. It's a courthouse. It's built for the people, right? And so you, as a citizen, can go in a courthouse and sit in and listen to our judicial system anytime you'd like to. That is the way our country is set up. I know that there's some corporations that do things that they don't want known, but that is now not how our system works. That's why when you get hit with a $16 million verdict, it sort of gets publicity. Maybe if you do things right, you don't get hit with those kind of verdicts. All right, we're back to work today. We're working on other cases. We're working on that case, making sure everything's tidied up with that one. I've got depots tomorrow in another malpractice case that we plan on bringing a lot of heat in. So if you have any questions about any malpractice case, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.